Well, ask any tradie about their job and they'll probably tell you it's tough but rewarding work. But a lack of awareness of injury prevention is a big issue in the industry. ACC accepting nearly 30,000 claims for construction-related injuries alone last year. Construction Health and Safety New Zealand is reminding tradies that it doesn't have to be back-breaking work. For more, we're joined by Trust's Ergonomics Program Manager, Chris Polaczuk, and roofer, Ben Clisby. Thanks both for joining us today.
Morena, Wendy.
Morena. Ben, I'll start with you. You've been in the construction industry for more than 20 years. What's been your experience with injury and pain?
Well, in my early 30s, I used to have a lot of neck pain, headaches, and so I went and got x-rays and seen someone, and I had early signs of arthritis, and only in my 30s. And I've had plenty of aches and sprains all through my career. And as I get older, it gets worse. So when you're young and bulletproof, the older you get, you start to feel these things, and you didn't respect it when you were younger. So,
would you have done things differently now if you were starting out?
Oh yes, definitely, yeah.
What would you have done?
Probably invested in more gear earlier, being more organised, started bringing our work off the ground, and instead of trying to do it off the roof and trying to be what you thought was productive back then, probably less productive, but yeah, we'd have better provisions in place, and yeah.
Yeah, I feel like health and safety is such a big focus at the moment, and it has been for a few years. Chris, is it still coming through? Are people still getting injured on the job here at the tradies?
Yeah, they are all the time. We hardly ever talk to a tradie that hasn't got an injury or a pain. There is some good news though. The claims are coming down slightly in the last year, around about 15%, but we've got a hell of a long way to go. What
do we need to do?
Well, as Ben was saying, we've got a few tips for tradies out there that are still watching today, this morning. Hopefully you haven't had your coffee yet. Watch out for your overhead work. Whenever you've got your arms over your head and your hands, you're putting your shoulders at risk of wear and tear. Find better ways to move things. Tradies just lug things and lift things because they can, because we're tradies. We have a bit of a macho factor. Let's just use trolleys, wheelbarrows, other ways of moving things. And lastly, as Ben said, get your work up off the ground where you can. Don't bend over, don't kneel if you can. Get it up on trestles, tables, whatever you can do.
You mentioned there's a macho factor. Do you think that things are improving, though, in that realm, that people are more coming forward a bit more now that they know that they can ask for help?
Yeah, well, we're really pleased to see our young apprentices coming on board. There's record numbers of them out there. They're looking at their supervisors and the older tradies and saying, I just don't want to break my body for the job, and it can be better, and work should not hurt.
No, work should definitely not hurt. Ben, how much of what you're talking about through your life as a roofer has that impacted your life, being injured?
Well, when you work for yourself, it's hard to stop and hard to rest up. So when you're going to work and dealing with pain, you lose concentration, you make mistakes. That's a hard one. And then when you go home, you're not motivated to do anything. You just want to rest up, and hopefully the pain goes.
So it's had a huge toll on you, by the sounds of it.
Things as I'm come off tools now, so things are looking a bit better at the moment, but yes, it has been a toll over the past years, yes.
Well, let's hope we can raise awareness and see things change a little bit more in the area of being a tradie. And yeah, they shouldn't be lugging those big, heavy things around. Ask for help, right? Thanks so much for joining us this morning, both of you.
Thank you.
Cheers, Wendy.